Jowa. Ano yun? Jowawers? Diyan na yung mga mumu ni ano, good morning ni nandiyan na naman yung mga mumu mo, Aisa. Oh, wow. Don't cry, no crying. I know. You found it? Oo. Oo, tama, tama. Correct. Oo, dagdag views din natin 'yan. Oh, be careful. You okay? You okay? Where you going? Is that your pancake? It's a flat pancake. Oo nga, nakapapa na siya. You can sit, anak. It's okay. You'll just take a shower. Paapa na siya. Andun si Jade. Busy sa four-wheeler. Yeah. Get ready for what? Ano ba yung best friend ni Maricar? Get ready saan? Julene! Can you get the bag daw, panak? Ikaw daw, kayo daw po uwi daw ng Pilipinas. Can you run? So ask, how you ask, anak? Oh, Alaska. Hala, ano ba pinagsasabi niyan? Can you spray here? Okay. Okay. Okay, Jilana. Let me see. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Okay. Isa pa, anak. Isa pa. Okay.
My mouth.
Oh, sorry. Julene, just leave it here, anak. Those bug, ha? Diyos ko, pupunta daw ng Alaska. Oh, okay, Sora. Padala ka ng lapad. Oo.
Oh, I know idea.
What's your idea?
I know. I need what.
Oo. Katakot naman. Uy, Aisa, patawa ka.
Wow.
Umiyak na. Oo nga. Do you still have bag? You still need to be bag?